The Jamaica Constabulary Force is this evening putting the historic reduction in murders into greater context. As of Saturday, December 20, Jamaica has recorded a 43% decline in murders. Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake said it means 487 fewer people have been killed so far this year. 2025 will go down in the history books as one of the most successful years for crime fighting. For the first time in years, Jamaica has recorded fewer than 1,000 murders in a year. 649 murders were recorded as of Saturday, December 20, a 43% decline compared to 2024. Shootings are also down by 32% and rapes by 27%.
Represented 487 fewer murders than the same period in 2024. This is not a marginal improvement. It is a substantial reduction, and it reflects the cumulative impact of intelligence-led policing, focused operations against gangs, enhanced firearms interdiction, and the commitment of our officers on the ground.
Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake stated that some of the bloodiest police divisions have recorded the largest reduction. For instance, in Area 1, which comprises Trelawney, St. James, Westmoreland, and Hanover, there has been a 57% reduction in murders.
As we know, in past years, this part of the country represented the largest contributor to increased violent statistics. This year, Area 1, led by ACP Glenn Miller, represents the greatest source of reduction. Across the western parishes, murders and shootings have fallen sharply, and overall major crimes have declined significantly. Murders have plummeted 57%, shootings are down 48%, and overall major crimes have fallen by 35% across western Jamaica.
However, in Area 2, the results are mixed.
In Area 2, which includes St. Ann, St. Mary, and Portland, the picture is more mixed but remains manageable. St. Mary recorded a reduction in murders, while St. Ann experienced an increase, reminding us that progress is neither automatic nor uniform. Portland, where there were serious concerns with respect to murder at the earlier part of the year, is now experiencing a 23% reduction.
For Area 3, though, which comprises Clarendon, St. Elizabeth, and Manchester, another big improvement which significantly contributed to the reduction in the national crime statistics.
Clarendon recorded a 42% reduction in murders, alongside reductions in shootings and overall major crimes. St. Elizabeth achieved a 50% reduction in murders, continuing the recovery that began in the latter half of last year. In Manchester, murders declined by 38%, although other crime categories require continued attention.
Now to Area 4, which includes the Kingston and St. Andrew metropolitan area, significant progress was also made. Like Area 1, the Area 4 Police Division has been one of the most challenging divisions to police, but now
all divisions in Area 4 recorded reductions in murders, including Kingston Central with a 33% reduction, Kingston West down by 43%, St. Andrew Central down by 62%, St. Andrew South, one of the toughest divisions to police, reduced murders by 38%.
St. Catherine North and South, St. Thomas, and St. Andrew North, which make up the Area 5 Police Division, also saw a double-digit decline in murders except for St. Thomas.